morning, Better Hills. I'm Fiona Laughlin, your SCA treasurer.
And I'm Ella White, your SCA historian, and this is the news for Friday, January 24th, 2020.
Today's word of the day is daydream. When you daydream, you think about pleasant things in a distracted, dreamlike way.
In this cold, dreary weather, I often daydream about springtime and playing outside without freezing my fingertips.
Today's a day in history has some cool stuff.
In 1848, the California Gold Rush started.
In 1922, the Eskimo pie was invented.
In 1984, the first Apple computer went on sale.
In 2003, the United States Department of Homeland Security officially began operations. Today is National Compliment Day.
It was created in 1998 by two ladies in New Hampshire as a way to celebrate the importance of noticing others.
A compliment has a powerful effect. A compliment not only improves the receiver's mood, but it also says something about the giver. It tells them you notice. To give a great compliment, first be sincere. People have a way of knowing when we are fake. If you don't mean it, it's worse than getting a thoughtless birthday gift.
Human beings like to be unique and original. Strive to give a compliment about what makes a person stand out above the rest. Take the time to reflect on what you admire about the person.
This is Fiona Laughlin
and Ella White. Remember, be respectful,
be responsible,
be ready to learn. It's the Husky way every day. Have a great day.